students of class 12th RS Inter College Kanpur. Today I am going to teach you the grammar portion, and in grammar portion the topic is preposition. You should remember, you would have been taught before also in previous classes the definition of preposition. That preposition is the word which links two nouns or pronouns. It makes a relation between two nouns or pronouns. As you may say, the farmer was in the field. The farmer field. Between these words, in is preposition. And you have to remember also that after few words preposition are used, like make, as this house is made of mud and brick. The bottle is made of plastic. As second example, after die of is used, as he died of cholera, the old man died of corona. What thing we buy or sell before rupees we use for. For example, my father bought this house for 30 lakhs. As you may say, the books are on the table. So on before table on has been used, and the relation of book with the table is showing by the preposition on. So there are few of the prepositions I am describing to you, as on, in, into, over, upon, under, for, from, of, with, without, at, between, among, to, beside, through, since, after, before. So these are the prepositions, and these prepositions are used, as for example, at is used for small places like village, office, as my father works at office, and since is used for the definite time, as we have been living in this house since 2007. Before, after, you have read also, as he had come here before 2 hours. Before is used for showing that time, and in the same way after, we will go to house after 2 hours. So when this is used, preposition, there is shown the relation between nouns and pronouns, and also, like, a bird is flying over the tree. Over is preposition. Over is used when something is over, not touching that thing, and if it is touching, then there will be on. As we may say, because a bird is flying over the tree, At the time of flying, the bird was not touching the tree, so there should be use of over. If it is touching the tree, there should be use of on. Like a bird is sitting on the tree, but at the flying time, bird is not touching the tree. That's why before tree, over has been used. And as I have told you that before big cities, in is used, and for the villages, at is used. Therefore, he lives in Kanpur. In is used before Kanpur because Kanpur is a big city, and for big places, states, and countries, in is used. Sheila reads daily for 6 hours. When there is time uncertain, not certain, so there may be use of for. As Sheila reads daily for 6 hours. I bought this pen for rupees 30. As I have already told you that after selling, what thing is sold, what is bought for the money. So before money, for is used. For, FOR. There were 4 boys in the room. For in, when something is in still position, not moving, then in is used for any place. Like there were 4 boys in the room. They were already in the room. They were not moving. And if someone or something goes in motion in any place, there should be use of into. Like the teacher came into the room. The teacher was in motion. He was moving when he was coming into the room. And when something is not moving, there should be use of in. Monu came from Bhopal to Kanpur. From the distant place, when place is left, there is use of from, and to this place person reaches, that is, there should be use of to. So he left Bhopal, therefore before Bhopal, from has been used, and he goes means the near place, to is used. So he left Bhopal, Monu left Bhopal, Monu came means Monu left. So he left the place, this place, and came Kanpur. Therefore that place is left before that, from is used, and to which place someone reaches, so before that place to is used. Therefore the sentence is correct that Monu came from Bhopal to Kanpur. The second example is Mahesh lives at Madrasa village. As I had already told you that before the village, before a small place, at is used. Madrasa is a village, and that's why before Madrasa, at will be used. In the same way, I am living at Barratu, but not at Kanpur, because Kanpur is a big city, Barratu is a small portion of Kanpur. So that's why for the small portion, for the small place, before such kind of small places, villages or offices or park, there should be use of at. And for the big places like cities, states, districts, and countries or nation, in should be used. So such is the use of prepositions. You should remember them, and I am sending you some written examples of the preposition that are solved. You have to write down in your fair register, and you should learn them. So there will be multiple type of questions. 3 prepositions will be given in the test. 3 of them, one will be correct. So which is correct, over that you have to take. I am sending just now. Look at those sentences, try to understand and write in the fair copy. Thank you very much.